Right, so I'm in my 2014 Cargo Transit Connect, and sometimes you just want a dome light that actually does more than just a little bit of a lighting situation here. You'll notice on this particular one, if I can just get this to focus, is that it is a very small bulb that powers this thing. Now, you can go online to Amazon and get one of these bad boys over here. And that one's actually pretty bright, believe it or not. It's more bright than the stock bulb. I initially replaced it with that, and then I strung up some other ones on here, but that's sort of gimmicky. But then I went online, and I found this, which is a whole LED board that fits right inside of here and becomes your new dome light. So it just pushes in and clicks in like so, and then I can turn this on. Now, you're not going to probably get any appreciation because this is the middle of the day, but that is very bright when it comes to being dark out. And of course, it will still work with your CAN bus system to turn on when you open the door. So I will include a link for that with the video. My only lamentation with this particular one is that for some reason they made the printed board on here black. I mean, if they were trying to reflect light, it should have been white, but, it is what it is. At least it's there. It's marked Focus 1.8 liter, because, pretty much is a Ford Focus. But, yeah, there you go.